How to fix 100% CPU usage in Windows 10 step-by-step. Hey guys, if your Windows 10 PC is running slow and showing 100% CPU usage, here's how you can fix it. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open the Task Manager. Click on the Processes tab and sort by CPU to see which programs are using the most resources. If there's a program you don't recognize or don't need, right-click it and choose End Task. Next, click on the Startup tab and disable unnecessary startup programs that could be slowing down your system. Then press Windows plus R, type Services, C, and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Search. Right-click on it, select Properties, and set the startup type to Disabled. Click Stop, then OK. Also, check sysmain, formerly superfetch, and disable it the same way if it's causing high CPU usage. Another fix is disabling the High Precision Event Timer HPT. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator, then type the following command: vcdedit /delete value use platform clock, press Enter, and then restart your PC. HPT can sometimes cause high CPU usage on certain systems, and disabling it can help reduce the load. Finally, update your drivers, especially for your graphics and chipset, by going to Device Manager, right-clicking each device, and selecting Update Driver. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated by going to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Windows Update. After these steps, restart your PC and your CPU usage should go back to normal.